Listen, fuck what you heard, nigga. East New York, Long Island, stand up. Let's do what we do. North Carolina, I see you too, baby. Listen, show niggas how we do it though. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with me. I don't know who told y'all that, but you gon' hear this. Let's go. Listen, I used to hold a block down with jums in my sneakers. 13, trying to be my uncle with a beeper. And every night I earthed off the E&J leader. And fuck Nas, I was the first to spit ether. Long street sweeper, my nigga Shy held it for me. And if it's pussy or beat, then niggas better call me. Me and my guns fucking right now, I'm kinda horny. I pull a strap and push your brains back. What up, homie? You see your pussy, get that mirror out your face. Superman niggas get them things flying through their cape. Used to be humble for fuck it, I'm out for the steak. Eggs and cheese. Man, I dumped the tray 8. Carolina through Queens, I'm still pushing weight. Still moving them thieves, but no Dr. Dre. When you talk that talk is where you gon' lay. Catch them up, wrap them up, toss them like a ball of hay, hey. In my hood, we live by certain rules, violate. Ain't get telephone blowing, no collect food. Press you like an iron when it's time for the duel. I'm a surgeon with the booze, I'm a mechanic with the tools, move. Oh, I do it for you. Got a room for you. Full in the mornings, dressed black in a tune for you. Southside, tongue ties, West Coast, drive-bys, East Coast, niggas slick. Say what's up, the time and die. Look, nigga, you ready to ride? Yo, man. Fuck wrong with these niggas, man. East New York, man.